Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to explain a super trick to find hybridization. So let's start. What is meant by hybridization? Hybridization is the mixing of atomic orbitals combined to form equal number of hybrid orbitals. So atomic orbitals equal to hybrid orbitals. The mixing of atomic orbitals combine to form new hybrid orbitals known as hybridization. So, for a molecule, total number of valence electrons equal to 2 means sp. If the valence electrons 1 means s. Total electrons equal to 3 means sp2, 4 equal to sp3, 5 equal to sp3d, 6 equal to sp3d2, 7 sp3d3. So see here, hybrid orbitals equal to atomic orbitals. Here hybrid orbital equal to 1 means s orbital. So here one hybrid orbital is having, so atomic orbitals also 1. So atomic orbital equal to hybrid orbital. The mixing of atomic orbitals combine to form hybrid orbitals known as hybridization. If the hybrid orbital equal to 2 means atomic orbitals are also having 2. So 1, 2. If 3, sp2, 1s and 2 p orbitals. So 4 sp3, 5 sp3d, 6 means sp3d2, 7 means sp3d3. By using this only step we have to find the hybridization in very quick manner. So let's see some examples. For SF4, here for when finding hybridization we take least electronegative atom as central atom. So here sulfur is less electronegative than fluorine. So sulfur taken as central atom. For sulfur, how many valence electrons? Valence electrons for central atom 6. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. So this is the outer shell or valence shell. Here in the valence shell 6 electrons are having. So valence electrons for sulfur is 6. So the formula for to find hybridization is number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pairs to that atom. Number of lone pairs to the central atom. Number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pairs to the central atom. So this is the formula to find hybridization. For sulfur, valence electrons equal to 6. Hybridization equal to number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pairs. So hybridization equal to, for sulfur how many atoms are attached? 4. Plus, see here, valence electrons for sulfur is 6. 6 minus 4. So sulfur wants remaining 2 electrons. So 2 means 1 lone pair. So sulfur having 1 lone pair. So 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 5 means sp3d. See here, 5 means sp3d. So SF4 total electrons 5. So hybridization is sp3d. And next for CH4. Here carbon is central atom, so valence electrons for carbon is 4. Hybridization equal to number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pairs. So how many atoms are attached to the carbon? 4. So 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So there is no lone pair. So 4 plus 0 equal to 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. For CH4 the hybridization is sp3. Why? Because the total electrons for CH4 is 4. So 4 means sp3 hybridization. And next for PCl5. For PCl5 phosphorus is central atom. So PCl5 phosphorus is the central atom because phosphorus is less electronegative than chlorine. So the which atom is less electronegative in a molecule, that atom taken as a central atom. So here phosphorus is the less electronegative, so taken as a central atom. And phosphorus valence electrons equal to 5. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3s2, 3p, 1, 10, 3p3, 10, 5, 15. So in the outer shell how many electrons? 5 electrons are having. So phosphorus valence electrons are 5. So how many? For hybridization, what is the formula? Number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pair. So for phosphorus, how many number of atoms attached? 5 atoms are attached. So valence electrons for phosphorus 5 and 5 atoms are attached, so equal to 0. There is no lone pair. So 5 plus 0 equal to 5. For 5 the hybridization is sp3d. Phosphorus is the central atom. For phosphorus valence electrons equal to 5 and for hybridization equal to number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pairs. For phosphorus 5 atoms are attached, so 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So there is no lone pairs. So 5 for total PCl5 having total 5 electrons. So 5 electrons means sp3d hybridization. For CCl4 carbon is the central atom and carbon valence electrons 5. For hybridization, number of atoms attached to central atom plus number of lone pairs. How many number of atoms attached? 4 atoms. So 4 equal to 0. So number of atoms 4 plus no lone pairs, so 0. CCl4 having total 4 electrons. 4 electrons means sp3 hybridization. So here the number of hybrid orbitals are 4. Here atomic orbitals are also 4. So 1s and 3p orbitals. So total 4 and hybrid orbitals equal to atomic orbitals. Next COCl2. For COCl2 the central atom is carbon. Carbon valence electrons 5 and for hybridization number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pairs. How many number of atoms attached? 3 atoms are attached. So 3 plus, see here each chlorine donates 1 electron. So 1 into 2, 2. And for oxygen, each oxygen donates 2 electrons. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So equal to 0. There is no lone pair. So 3 plus 0 equal to 3. 3 means sp3 hybridization. See the number of, how many number of hybrid orbitals? 3. See here atomic orbitals all, if there is 3, sp2 hybridization. 3 hybrid orbitals means having 3 atomic orbitals. So 1s and 2p orbitals. The hybridization is sp2. See here in COCl2 molecule, carbon taken as a central atom. For carbon 4 valence electrons are 4 and number of atoms attached to the central atom is 3 atoms. Each chlorine donates 1 electron, so 2 chlorines are having, so 2 plus, and each oxygen donates 2 electrons, so 1 oxygen is having, so 2 electron, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So these 3 molecules donates 4 electrons, so there is no need for lone pairs, so no lone pairs are having, so 3 plus 0 equal to 3. The hybridization for electrons 3 means sp2 hybridization. Next, NH3. Nitrogen is the central atom. Nitrogen valence electrons 5, and how many for hybridization? Number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pairs. How many atoms are attached to the nitrogen? 3 atoms, so 3. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Remaining 2 electrons want for nitrogen. 2 electrons means 1 lone pair, so 3 plus 1 equal to 4. If the hybridization molecule gets 4 electron means total 4 electron means the hybridization is sp3. The hybrid orbitals are 4. Atomic orbitals also 4. 1s and 3 p orbitals. The molecule gets total 4 electron means sp3 hybridization. See, nitrogen valence electrons 5 and number of atoms attached to the nitrogen 3. So nitrogen wants remaining 2 electron. 2 electron means 1 lone pair. So 3 plus 1 means, here 3 means number of atoms attached and 1 is the lone pair. Total 4 electrons. So 4 electron means sp3 hybridization. And IF7 molecule, here iodine is the less electronegative. For iodine valence electrons 7. Hybridization equal number of electrons, number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pairs. So here how many atoms are attached? 7 atoms are attached. So 7 minus 7 equal to 0. So 7 atoms are attached and no lone pairs are having. So 7 plus 0 equal to 7. So 7 electron means sp3 4 d2. See the number of hybrid orbitals 7. Here 1 is 3p and 2 d orbitals, so total having only 6. So sp3 d3 4. The molecule gets total 7 electron means the hybridization is sp3 d3. See here the total hybrid orbitals are 7 and the atomic orbitals are also 7. 1s, 3p and 3d orbitals. So hybrid orbitals equal to atomic orbitals. And next XeF4 for xenon. See here, xenon is the central atom. Xenon is the 8th group. So total valence electrons for the xenon 8 valence electrons. Valence electrons for xenon. For hybridization, number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pairs. So xenon attached with 4 atoms. So 4. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So xenon wants 4 electrons. So 4 electron means xenon have 2 lone pairs. So number of atoms attached for xenon 4 and the lone pairs for xenon is 2. So total 6. 6 means sp3 d2. See here hybrid orbitals are 6 and atomic orbitals are also 6. 1s, 3p and 2d. So for XeF4 having total 6 electrons, the hybridization is sp3 d2. And next XeO3. Xenon is a central atom and valence electron for xenon 8 and 3 oxygens are having. Here each oxygen donates 2 electrons. So 3 oxygens are having 3 into 2 equal to 6. So 2. Hybridization, number of atoms attached to the central atom, 3 atoms are attached, and here so each oxygen donates 2 electron means 6 electrons satisfies the 6 electron donates from the 3 oxygen. So remaining xenon have 2 electrons. So these 2 electrons are taken as one lone pair. So XeO3, for XeO3 xenon having one lone pair. So 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 4 means sp3. So here hybrid orbitals equal to atomic orbitals. Xenon taken as central atom. For xenon valence electrons 8, and here 3 oxygens are having, each oxygen donate 2 electrons. So total 6 electrons, and here for 6 electrons the remaining 2 electrons taken as one lone pair. So 3 means number of atoms attached to the central atom plus one lone pair equal to 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. Next example, PCl6 minus, phosphorus equal to 5 electrons, 5 valence electrons, and here 1 minus charge is having. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So total electrons for phosphorus is 6. Valence electrons for phosphorus 5. But here PCl6 minus charge is having. So 1 minus charge taken. Minus charge means addition of electrons. So 1 electron added for valence electrons, to total 6 electrons. So hybridization equal to number of atoms attached to the central atom. How many number of atoms attached to 6 atoms? So 6 atoms are attached. So phosphorus having total 6 electrons. So 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So there is no lone pair. So 6 means sp3d2 hybridization. Here 6 hybrid orbitals are having, and atomic orbitals are also 6. So if the total electrons for PCl6 minus is 6 electrons, so 6 electrons means sp3d2 hybridization. Phosphorus valence electrons 5. Here 1 minus charge is having. Minus charge means addition of electrons. So for 5 add 1 electron, total phosphorus having 6 electrons. So number of and for hybridization, number of atoms attached to the central atom 6. So 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So no lone pairs are having. So total electrons for PCl6 is 6. So hybridization is, for 6 electron hybridization is sp3d2. And next example, SO3 2 minus. For sulfur valence electrons equal to 6. So 2 minus having. So 2 minus means negative charge means addition of 2 electrons. So total 8 electrons. Hybridization equal to number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pairs. See here 3 atoms are attached. 3 plus each oxygen donates 2 electrons. So 3 into 2 6 electrons. So these 3 oxygen donating 6 electrons. So 8 minus 6 equal to 2. 2 electrons means sulfur having one lone pair. So number of atoms attached to the central atom is 3, and lone pairs for central atom 1. So total 4. The hybridization is sp3 hybridization. See here 4 hybrid orbitals are having, and 4 atomic orbitals are hybrid orbitals equal to atomic orbitals. The most important formula for hybridization is number of atoms attached to the central atom plus number of lone pairs to the central atom. So if the molecule gets total 1 electron means S orbital, 2 means sp, 3 means sp2, 4 sp3, 5 sp3d2, 6 sp3d2, 7 sp3d3. So this is the trick to find hybridization. After seeing this video, you are able to find hybridization in a quick manner. So I hope you understand. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and support me guys. Thank you.